Hello KS community and welcome to another educational technology tutorial. Today we're looking at bookmarks. You will learn how to bookmark a frequently visited web page, how to edit and keep your bookmarks organized, and finally how to turn your bookmark into the personalized desktop icon to allow even more quick and easy access. To add a web page to your bookmarks, first thing you need to do is to open this web page in your internet browser. On this computer, I use Chrome, though the process will look exactly the same if you're using any other browser such as Safari or Firefox. I would like to add Google Classroom to my bookmarks because this is the page I go to every day and I would like to get an easy access to it. To bookmark this page, move your cursor all the way to the top of the screen, click on Bookmarks, click on Bookmark this tab, or simply use a shortcut Command D. There are several things we can tweak when it comes to bookmarking the page. The first one is where the bookmark will be located. By default, Google Chrome has two locations, Bookmarks bar and other bookmarks. Bookmarks bar is located on top of your browsing window and it is immediately available to you when you're surfing the web. And this is exactly where I would like my Google Classroom to be. The second thing we can do is changing the display name. Let's change that to Google Classroom. Once ready, click Done. You will notice that I already have a couple of bookmarks on my bookmarks bar. That's why I cannot really see Google Classroom. It's hidden right here. Hold and move my Google Classroom all the way here so it is visible and accessible to me when I need this. I have another page that I would like to add to my bookmarks bar, but this time I'm not going to put it in the bookmarks bar, I will put it into the other bookmarks. You notice that I now have other bookmarks where I have my lo-fi radio easily accessible to me when I need it. If you've gotten into the habit of adding bookmarks, you might soon notice that they are all over the place and it's just really hard to find what you need. And this is where organization and management of bookmarks comes into play. To organize your bookmarks, move to the right corner of the screen and click on these three dots. Move your cursor to Bookmarks and then Bookmark Manager, or use a shortcut Option Command B. Bookmarks Manager enables you to easily rename and reorganize your bookmarks. Let's imagine that I would like to create folders for each of my subjects. To do that, I will move my cursor to the right, click on these three dots, and add a new folder for math. Let's add a few more folders for English and Science under Other Bookmarks. Now that we have our folders, if I want to bookmark Khan Academy, I will use shortcut Command D, and instead of bookmarking this page to other bookmarks, I will move it directly to Math, changing the display name as well. I have another website resource that I use for my math class, so I will add it to my Math folder. And finally, National Geographic will be saved as a bookmark into my Science folder. If I go to my Bookmarks Manager now by pressing Command Option B, you will notice that each of the folders is now populated with corresponding bookmark, which makes the user experience much more streamlined and straightforward. If you ever feel the urge to clean up some of your bookmarks, you can do so by deleting separate bookmarks, by clicking on three dots and delete, or deleting the entire folder of Math or Science altogether. Let's now have a look at how you can convert a bookmark into the personalized desktop icon, similar to this one or this one. I use Google Calendar a lot, though there's no standalone application on the Mac computer to enable me to do that. So what I did on my computer, I created a shortcut on my desktop that will take me directly to my Google Calendar. I also have a KS website shortcut that will take me directly to the KS web page. Let's have a look at how to do that. First thing you need to do is to bookmark the page that you would like to create a shortcut for. Next thing is to drag this bookmark onto your desktop. I'm going to click on Google Calendar and drag it onto my desktop. To change the icon of the bookmark, right-click and go to Get Info. At this point, we need to select a picture that will go with the shortcut. I will open Google search, look for Google Calendar, select the picture that I like. Right-click on the image, copy image, go back to the shortcut, click on this little icon here, make sure gray line is showing up, go to Edit and click Paste, or use a shortcut Command V. Once you've done this step, the shortcut is looking really nice and sleek. Let's try and recreate this with KS web page. I will repeat the steps, move the bookmark on my screen. In this case, I have an actual file on my computer that I would like to use as the shortcut icon. All I need to do is to simply click and drag this image until my cursor changes to the plus icon. Once I click that, the bookmark icon will change to the image that I chose. Today we've looked at bookmarks, an easy and straightforward way to access web pages on your browser. You've learned how to add bookmarks to your browser, how to edit and keep them organized, and finally how to create personalized desktop bookmarks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.